Hi, Tao Ping Airlines Math Industry, and today we're going to be looking at fractions with variables. So, in this case scenario here, 3 over r equals 6 over 12. Well, we know that this fraction has to equal that fraction, and this fraction is equal to 1/2. So this should equal to 1/2 too, because they're equal. What do you think this should be? Nice, it should be 3 over 6, so r equals 6. Today we're going to talk about fractions, but we're going to solve things in a different way, and hope to see what you guys like, the way you guys want to solve it, and it'll help you understand. So we're going to look at a fast way, a faster way, and the fastest way. Let's look at the fast way. For the fast way, we are solving n over 5 equals 50 over 40. We want to get n, and we want to see what n represents in this equation right here. So to find that, we can do 40 over 1, because we're multiplying by this denominator right here. It will do that. We want to multiply by the denominator to find for what n is right here. So, since there are two 40s, they both cancel out. And you multiply this by 42. So, we have 50 over 1 left, which is equals 50 over 1. And we have 40 right here, so we put that at the 40 end right here. So and that 1, that would still stay as a 5 times, because 5 times 1, it should be 5. So now we have 40m over 5. After that, the final step is to cross multiply. So multiply that by that, and multiply that by that. So here's 40m right here. And that would equal 250, because we're doing 5 times 50. That would equal 250. So when you both divide both by 40, you would be able to get n equals 6 and 1 over 4. So that is one way you can do it. Any way it would work, but this is one way. That was the fast way. We'll look at the faster way next. The faster way for this version is, if we want to say 50 over 40, then some kids are like, then why can't we just write 5 over 4? Actually, that would work. That would definitely work. That would actually work. So here's 4m. So 4m equals 25. Now we gotta divide both sides by 4 and see what we get. Right, so that equals 6.25, or 6 over 1 over 4. They would both stay the same. So yeah, this is the faster way you would probably be doing this. Let's move on to the fastest way. Our final fastest way is n over 5 and 50 over 40. If you wanted to, you could just do 40 over here, 40n, because you cross multiply, and 50 times 5, that would equal 250. So, if we want to do this, we divide both sides. We divide both sides by 40, and guess what we get? 6.25, or 6 and 1/4. That is our other option. So yeah, Many kids like this idea because just, oh, step 1, do that, step 2, do that, boom, done. Any way works, but the faster and fastest way do work. Speed doesn't really work. Speed doesn't really matter. What matters is to get the correct answer. But these are actually some, examples. So thank you for watching Taoping Airlines Math History. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this experiment.